How to make TikTok videos and Power Director. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can find this new project. Simply tap on new project. Here, select the video that you want to edit. So here, I'm tapping on one. Basically, we're in this editing platform. This is the place where you can find different videos and simply edit it. Here on the bottom, there are different options available. Simply swipe right until you find aspect ratio. Simply tap on aspect ratio and here make sure it's on 9:16. So basically the format of TikTok is 9:16. Now you can simply go back and start editing. Later when you export it, it will fit perfectly on TikTok. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.